Hi, I'm back again for a minute here. Jock Myro, Broadband Video. We're working on the Livestream Studio live production switcher software that we've just got, and we are going to do a full install of this, run it through one of our machines. We're working on a live interactive news program that we want to put on. Well, here's a lesson. Always read the side of the box for the minimum spec, because I sort of figured that the box that we had was plenty hot roddy enough to make this work, but I am reading the minimum spec on the side of this box, and it says minimum spec is CPU 4-core Intel i7 second generation. Well, our CPU passes that muster, so that's good. The second is a motherboard Intel Z77 chipset. Uh-oh. That's not the chipset on our motherboard. Ours is a Z68, so that may be a problem. We'll have to see what we can do with that. GPU of NVIDIA GeForce 210. Don't know if ours sort of specs out against that or not. We got a real cheap video card in here. We may have to do some hardware upgrades to make this work. RAM, 4 gigs DDR3, 13333 megahertz. That's no problem. We've got 16 gigs of that in the box right now, so memory-wise it's not a problem. The hard drive, yeah, 7200 RPM, yeah, no problem. Input-output, no problem. And here's a bummer. Ready? Operating system, Windows 7. Not that Windows 7 is a drag, it's just that this machine has Vista 64 on it. And guess what? You can no longer buy Windows 7. That's right. Thanks to our friends at Microsoft, you can now buy Windows 8, that thing with the tiles and all the other stuff on the top of it. The guys at Microsoft say it's, it's really wonderful, but unfortunately, I don't know exactly how I'm going to get this machine legally upgraded to Windows 7, being as you can no longer purchase Windows 7. Believe me, how do I know this? I've tried. I went to Office Depot, several of the tech stores, and said, hey, just give me a box copy of Windows 7. I want to do it. Ain't got it anymore. Apparently, when Windows 8 came out, they got rid of all the Windows 7. So this could be slightly problematic. I may have to talk to some friends of mine in the custom software business to see if there's something they can do with this. And don't know about that motherboard. I'm going to have to do a little research on how critical the difference between the Z77 and the Z68 is. If we have to change out the motherboard on this, that could set us back quite a bit of time and expense. So anyway, that's a little update on what we've got going on with the Livestream Studio live production switcher software that we just got. I'll be keeping you updated. I'm Jock Myro with Broadband Video. We're working on a really cool live webcasting setup. And we're going to walk you through the whole thing. So anyway, I'll let you know as soon as I know what's going on. Visit us online at www.broadbandvideo, and thanks a lot for stopping by. You'll know when I know.